So I'm gonna be moving some of my stuff here. Let's put your name and then we have to answer the next question. Good morning, everyone. I like to start off my day early. That way I can get ready. I like to get ready early in the morning, early in the day. I don't want to be wearing my lazy pajamas all day, so I try to get dressed as early as I can in the morning, brush my teeth, put some deodorant on, and I will be putting just a little bit of makeup on for today, just since I'm filming this video. And I do like to mention that to you guys, since I don't wear makeup every day, I do like to let my pores breathe. So I only wear it if I'm gonna be going out to a party or just going out of the house. I do apply a little bit of makeup. Sometimes I do like to go all out, but for today it's just gonna be something natural. Some brow pencil from Maybelline. I'm gonna be using some foundation, bronzer, blush. Wow, I'm doing a lot actually. A little bit of lipstick, and then I'm gonna be moving on to starting with my breakfast. I'm also gonna be straightening my hair, which I don't do too often since I'm trying to let my hair grow. I don't want to damage my hair, so I'm trying to let it grow the healthy way. Since I had not straightened it in a long time, I'm like, you know what? I feel like straightening my hair, and it actually looks long. I kept thinking that my hair wasn't that long. I feel like it's taking forever to grow long, but actually once I straighten it, I was able to tell that it is growing. It's pretty long. I'm the one that usually gets up first, and then I hear my son sometimes. He wakes up later on and he likes to cuddle, so I hopped back in bed and we cuddled for a little bit. Then I went over to the kitchen to make some breakfast. Hi, good morning, friends. For this video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a homeschool co-op virtual kindergarten day in the life. I don't even know what I'm going to name it yet. I'm going to start off by making some breakfast. I wasn't sure if I was just going to do this video as a vlog style. I guess I'm doing it vlog style. We'll see how that goes. I hope that you guys enjoy it. For this day, we're going to be eating some pancakes, and these are in the shape of some animals. If you're interested, I'll link in the description box below where I bought my pancake maker that makes these little pancake animals. I'm eating my pancakes with maple syrup and some whipped cream. I always like to eat mine with some fruit as well. My son does not like whipped cream. He just likes his pancakes with maple syrup. So we try and finish up our breakfast before we get to attendance on the tablet. Hey friends, so right now they're taking attendance. I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast and kind of clean up my desk area here.
To pay full attention, or to have many books.
Click on the one that you think, okay? Okay, click save. Save. Yes. Okay, let's go to log out. Log out. And you're done. Hey friends, so a quick update. My son did a test this morning. We already did our daily routine where we go over the calendar. We do a little bit of extra stuff. That's why I'm doing like a co-op where I'm also homeschooling because virtual school can also be a challenge. The teacher teaches for a while and then I have to help him out with his homework, and I like to teach a little extra. So it's been a mess this morning. I haven't even got to cleaning my desk. I finished my breakfast. My son also finished eating his breakfast. I just couldn't. I didn't have time because I was trying to get him to focus on his test. I'm gonna get to finishing this up, cleaning. Oh, and guess what? I also want to move things around because when my son is doing a virtual school, his desk is right here, and sometimes I have to run to the kitchen. I think I distract the other students if I'm running behind his camera, even though sometimes he puts like a background where you can't see if there's movement back there, but I just want to switch things up. So I'm going to be moving some of my stuff here. I'm going to be moving him to this side. That way he can put his desk here, his chair back there. Hey friends, right now we're taking a break. My son already did his test. He's watching Minions. He's eating a snack, and I'm going to be folding some laundry. I have like a mess everywhere. It looks as if this morning was like a well put together morning, but it's not. It's actually a disaster. I have clothes that I need to wash. I have a mess that I need to clean in the kitchen, but we're not doing a cleaning video today. I'm just going to fold some laundry while my son is doing that, and then in about 15 minutes we have to get back to class. So that's our morning so far. It's still morning, friends. We are about to go into my son's next class, which is math. I'm going to get him logged in. Okay, so we just logged in and we're just waiting for the teacher. I have his math book ready. This is kindergarten math. Since I had been homeschooling him before we started with kindergarten through school, he already knows most of this stuff, but since it is work that he has to do, we are getting that done. I'll show you guys a little bit of what that looks like in a bit. So while my son is doing math, sometimes I'm just organizing a couple of things in this room. Sometimes I'm cleaning up. I'm also looking for more projects for us to work on when his class is over. Since it is only 30 minutes, we work on his homework after, which is the math book that I shared with you guys.
And tell which group is less. The red tower shows the group of books.
Would that be greater than or less than?
Less.
Less than, Martha. Good job. Use cubes, draw pictures, or use numbers to show how many stickers Martha has and Emily have. Draw a group of counters that is equal. So we're gonna use these now since we have counters like these. So we're gonna use those instead of using these. Can you read what you're gonna have to do on number 1? All right, number 1. What number is less than 1? Hold your finger up. Hold your number 1 finger up with your hands. Show me number 1. What is less than 1? Yes, what is it? That's greater than.
Less than 1 is 0.
Yes, it is. Remember, put your thinking brain on. There you go. Good job. There you go. Hey, you did it. Good job. Put them on top. Yeah, there you go, like that. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's 3 yellows. Which one is less than?
Green.
So which color would that be?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes. Let's take these off. And it says put an X on the number that is less than. There we go. Good job.
Draw counters to show
A model.
A model of the
Given.
given number.
So I have this marker here because he hasn't been paying much attention. So I drew a sad face on a whiteboard that I have. And if I have to draw 2 more sad faces, he will not get to either watch cartoons or play a video game. He will not be able to do that for the rest of the day today. Today is one of those days where it happens at times where he's not paying a lot of attention. Sometimes there are days that he does great, but today is one of those days. And it had to happen when I'm doing a day in the life. You're gonna draw 7 counters, yes. Good job. Now that you've done 7 counters here,
Ay, lo dije como mi así, rectangle, ¿verdad? No sé si es así. I'm getting John. I'm getting John. 8 counters.
okay. No, we have to do 7. It says here, a group of 7.
Of 7 counters?
Yes, that's what it says.
Oh, okay.
Remember, we have to follow directions.
Okay. 7 counters. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more.
There you go.
7.
7
I saw
counters.
7 counters.
So I'm gonna give you a sticker. Which sticker would you like? Since you did so well on that page.
I like
Which sticker?
a fire truck.
This one?
Yeah, bumpy.
Okay, you wanna put it on, or you wanna put it on your shirt or on the page?
I want to put it on my shirt.
you
How
go.
about right here?
You can put it since you're doing so well. What are you laughing at? At your teddy bear? And it's like this?
Yeah.
You drew a silly one. What is he? Is he sad or mad? What is he? What is he?
He's like a funny toy.
Yes. That's a funny one. Okay. Now let's draw. Now let's color the cubes of how many kittens.
Yeah.
Let's color those, okay? We're almost done.
Okay.
So I have not had a chance to clean up my mess here since I am working with my son on his homework at the moment. Now once we are done, we'll possibly have lunch. If he does well with everything, I'll have him watch a cartoon or play a game of his choice for about 15 minutes while I clean up here. His next class is not until later today in the afternoon. So that concludes our morning. I can't believe it went by so fast. Sorry about the fan. It was pretty loud, but it was really hot in here, especially because we like to keep our windows open that we get more light in here, and it's really hot here in Arizona. That concludes our morning. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I didn't even get to clean up in my desk area. Sometimes I do, depending on the work that he needs to do. Right now he is doing his homework. He's still going to be needing my help there. Just if he finishes well and does good, I'll have him watch some cartoons for about 15 minutes or play a game of his choice, and then I'll probably like clean up and move things around here. That's going to conclude our morning routine. It has been really busy. Something that I did not mention is we had a tech guy come and help us with some internet and my living room's a mess because I'm doing laundry. There's clothes like thrown everywhere in the floor, so I need to clean up over there. Like, my day is full of things to do. I'm so busy throughout the whole day. I know that a lot of moms out there are going to identify themselves with me. It's not easy peasy, but we get it done. Later on we'll come back to his writing class, and then we'll do science, and I'm probably going to get started with lunch, finish up my folding of the clothes and laundry, and just clean up, tidy up around the house. I do want to move things around in this room, so I hope that I get to accomplish everything that I planned to do. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you would like another video like this, please let me know in the comments. Take care, guys. May God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. I don't want to distract my son, but I do want him to say bye. You're doing a great job, huh? You're so concentrated. Can you say bye to everyone in the video? Bye, guys. My makeup that's expired, and I'm gonna put everything in this bag. This is what everything looks like so far. I'll give you guys a quick overview of what everything looks like. So there's my desk. Get it cleared up so I can move it. The wall there, I moved a couple things this way. That way my son can sit here on this side, and then I can walk in and out through the door if I need to go get something over there. Okay, friends, I have a mess here, and I know I'm not going to finish this up right now. I'm just going to end this video, this part of the video. But I need to clean that up there. This is what the desk area looks like, and I like it so much better. This is where my son's going to be sitting, and that'll be his background. I can walk in and out of the room without disrupting the background or the class. I like how it turned out. I know that I have to clean that up over there, but I have to get lunch ready, and that's gonna be a while. So yeah, this is what everything looks like. I don't know if I'll keep that over there, the numbers, but for now I will.